Hey, what is up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you and testing what kind of performance difference is there when you update your phone. So, let's jump right into it. Firstly, as you can see, this is a Samsung Galaxy A50s. Let's just go into settings and let's check it over there. As you can see, this is all the system information. Now we can go into software update, and as you can see, a software update is still pending of November 1st. That is last year's 2 months. Okay, so now jumping right back, let's go ahead and jump into Antutu Benchmark and Geekbench 4, which I'll be doing later. Now, let me tell you that I will be doing 3 tests. That is, I'll be taking 3 pilot readings of this and then taking up the average of each one. So as you can see, the first test came out this much, and this is all the additional system information and stuff and so on. So it's quite okay. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump into the second test. This one also came out approximately to the same thing, so it's fine, not much difference. And as you can see, the battery drops like 2% or 3%, which is not a big deal. Jumping on to third test, we can see a significant increase, which is really strange. That's okay. And as you can see here, battery wear indicator, it is showing all this information and so on. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump into Geekbench 5. Except we're gonna go ahead and run benchmark. As you can see, the first test is coming to this much, 300 and 1200 for single core and multi core respectively. So that's okay. So okay, now jumping to the second test, it is coming out to this much, which is again almost the same thing, but it's fine. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna run the test again, and this time it came out a little bit lesser, which is also a bit strange, but no big deal. And use all the additional information and stuff if you want to compare to other phones. Okay, so now I don't know whether this will make difference or not, but let's just go ahead and jump into internet speed test and check out the speed of the internet, if it makes any difference or not. So now these are the other 3 readings. As you can see, averaging from 15, 17 and upload from 22 and so on respectively. So that's okay. Okay, so now firstly I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to update the phone. Now, like I said before, this update has been pending from 2 months, and I'm going to update it after 2 months. So let's see what kind of difference we can observe. Firstly, we're just going to go ahead and download the update, and then we are going to install it. As you can see, it is optimizing some apps and so on, which is quite normal. Okay, now the phone has updated. Let's just go ahead and start the phone. Okay, it seems to be working quite well. Firstly, let me go into settings and show you it's running on the highest update, the latest update, but we have still not got Android 10 on it, which is, I guess, bad news, but it should come out this month. No big deal. You can see a software information on Android 9, One UI version, and so on, which is not a big deal. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into Antutu Benchmark. and we're going to go ahead and run our 3-day readings just like before. Not to my surprise, the readings have come a bit higher than before, which is also strange again. Let me just go ahead and run the test a second time. And this time also it came even higher, which is also strange. Running it for a third time. And even again, yet again, it came high. So just for testing, I'm going to run the test for the fourth time. And as you can see, it has come a bit low this time. So I can say that updating your phone will increase the performance as well. So that was a good thing to update. Now let's just go ahead and jump into Geekbench. And like before, we're going to run 3 updates. 3 tests. As you can see here, it has come just a bit low, but it's fine. Multi-core single score as compared to other phones. Running it for the second time. Again, it has come quite low, which is a bit disappointing. And now running it for the final time. As you can see, it has also come low. So I think for Geekbench, the update is not that good. It is not well optimized, but it's fine. And as again, I'm just going to run a speed test just for testing purposes. And as you can see, the first 3 are the ones after the update, and the last 3 are the ones before the update. So here is all your device information and stuff. Okay, so now we can conclude that updating your phone when it is just new increases the performance. But if your phone is like a year old or something, then it might be a good idea to update the phone software just for seeing. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys.